Manufactured and expertly assembled in our Michigan-based facility, BW Manufacturing's SC-9 Scarifier offers more options and reliability than any equivalent walk-behind scarifier on the surface preparation market today. The SC-9 from BW Manufacturing offers a 9-inch scarifying path for heavy concrete removal, including line stripe removal, trip hazard removal, and heavy coating removal. The SC-9 features a durable 1/4-inch welded steel body and offers a lightweight, easy-to-maneuver chassis that one operator can maneuver and lift on their own, weighing only 152 pounds. Wheels are mounted close to the scarifying cage, giving the unit the weight and balance to achieve light removal up to 1/8 of an inch thick. Powered by an easy-to-use Honda gas engine or 220-volt electric motor, the SC-9 is easy to maintain and operate for individuals of all experience levels. The scarifying cage in the SC-9 allows for easy-to-swap cage changes, eliminating costly downtime on the job site. The SC-9 can be used with carbide cutters, steel cutters, or special milling flails with tungsten blades, allowing you to change the function of the machine and profile of the surface in minutes. Discover the unmatched efficiency and reliability of the BW Manufacturing's SC-9 Shot Blaster, the leader in surface preparation technology. For more information or to arrange a demo, visit our website. Elevate your projects with the SC-9, where innovation meets excellence.